Smart automation, better business. Learn how to optimize your business with Solved.
Hello and welcome. I'm Andrew, a consultant here at Solved. I'm here to share some really cool functionality I recently built in a community site, allowing groups of users to have different authentication processes hidden from the other groups of users. So an example use case would be, what if you want your normal customers in a portal to log in with the username and password, but you want your internal employees or partners to be forced to use a single sign-on in that same page, all from the same page, but you don't want them to be able to see the options that the others have. Or maybe you have different partners that want to log in with different single sign-on options, but you don't want everyone to see all those single sign-on options. In this video, I'll show you exactly how we can build that, and I'll show you the Lightning Web Component that we created that checks the user's email address as they type, and then if it detects the trigger word in that the user enters, it's going to hide the password field and show an SSO button. If it's a customer email, it's going to show the password field. It's a clean solution, and I'm going to walk you through the entire demo and code. So let's jump in and get started. Okay, so let's go on with the demo here. This is a Salesforce SDO sandbox that they gave that I was able to sign up for, and all the formatting of this portal here was just part of it. I guess the name here and the color scheme, the theme, but I've updated the actual login process here. So let's demonstrate it. I'll use our test user, which is solved test at non-privateuser.com. So you can see as soon as I started to enter the email, you saw that the password box opened up, and that's expected functionality. This is a user that should log in via username password, not a user that should have the SSO option pop up. So they enter in their email, I have their password that I just entered in here, and they're able to just log in through that format. I'm not going to actually hit the login and log in through the process. That's not part of the demo today. I just wanted to show you how they can enter this. On the other hand, if we're to log in with a username that is a user that should only have the option to log in via SSO, and that SSO should remain private to that group of users, all I have to do is input their email here, solvedtest@private.com. And you can see as soon as we detect the word private, in this case, private, it removes the password and it shows this cool SSO button that would then allow them to use their SSO to authenticate that way. It would redirect them to the SSO that they have configured. You could also do this with multiple different SSOs. If you had, one company that used their, company A SSO and then company B SSO, you could provide different users those different SSOs, and none of the other users would be any the wiser that those SSO options are available or that those companies are in the portal. So that's the end user experience here on a portal login. You can see as soon as the keyword here that I used, private, shows up, it changes between password and SSO. Let's jump into the code to take a look at that. All right, so jumping to the code here, I just have the Lightning Web Component JavaScript pulled up, and then we'll look at another Apex class that we included to make this functionality work. So something I should call out there, you need to separately set up an SSO configuration in your Salesforce org. And obviously you need a portal to use this, but then this Lightning Web Component, you're able to just add to the login page for the portal. This is, again, the Lightning Web Component. You can see, I won't dive too deeply into this code. I wanted to pull it up on the screen so that people could review it if they wanted to, but essentially an adjusted login process. Here's the login with password, and then here's the SSO login that they kind of change dynamically. So there's running through the code just really quick what we have for the Lightning Web component. And then here is the Apex class that we have that handles a little bit of the logic, whether it's logging in with the password or logging in with SSO. So there you can see all of that. It's not a lot of code. It's not hugely complicated, but it sure was nice, at least for the use case we had, where we wanted to be able to allow certain users to sign in with SSO, but no other users would ever see that SSO unless they have the company's domain in their email. So great use case, wanted to share. Let us know your thoughts or if you have any questions.
And once again, thank you for coming to watch the video. Please take the time to leave a little like or comment. Let us know if you have questions. We are solved.cloud and here to automate your business. Please let us know how we can help.
Thank you so much for watching. We can't wait to help you automate your business. Please like, comment, or subscribe for more.